Hello, you. How are you today? We are going to dive back into this 11.5, 12-pound jewelry grab bag that I got from Goodwill. In the last video, we did find a Crown Trifari necklace worth about $30 to $40. I'll put a link to part 1 up above so you can check that out. I also wanted to let you know that I'm going to make a small change to my unboxing videos. I'm going to start putting prices for some of the higher price pieces on the screen. Let me know in the comments if you like this change. I hope you do. In part 1, we had 34 pieces plus 12 single earrings, which I don't count for pricing unless I have the pair. And for just 9 of those 34 pieces, we were at about $240. I don't think I've mentioned this yet, but I bought this entire bag for $99. Even if we said that the other 25 pieces were only a few dollars each, we're still well over $300. I'd like to quickly thank all of my current subscribers and ask that you also subscribe so you never miss one of our treasure hunts together. Are you ready for part 2? Okay, let's go. Look at this guy. I don't know if that is like a symbol that means something or if that's just a really unique design. I love it. I like the kind of brass look too. It's almost antique brass. Look at this cute little guy. Two-tone earring. Let's hope we find its friend. Cute. Okay, this is definitely gold. It's very heavy for its size, but it's also silver. It's probably silver plate. I'm sorry, gold plate over some silver. It's even got the sterling mark on the bottom. But I'm not sure what that little symbol is right below. It almost looked like a leaf of some kind, like a leaf design. Oh, that's a big bold earring. Okay. You know how I hate only getting one single earring. Let's hope we find its match. Or its friend. That one too. A couple single earrings. Oh, that's a nice lariat necklace. Pretty. Remember, the lariat is you have the normal scoop, and then you have a draw, a line that comes down. That's from Loft Limited. No mark. Oh, that's very delicate, dainty. Again, no mark. Oh, just a chain. That'd be great to put one of these pendants that I end up getting all the time that's just by itself. Actually, we had one in the first video. Maybe you could put that on that. Look at this. I thought this was a magnet. It then opens up. It doesn't. Nope. And it didn't have much stretch to it either, so I'm not sure. Oh, look at this fantastic piece. Robert J. Graziano. It has RJG in the middle and then has the Graziano around the outside. It's double strand, which I couldn't figure out at first if that was a separate piece or if it went together, and it goes together. You see, I put a price up there for you, about $40 to $50 for the necklace. That's gorgeous. I like the fringe. Kind of has some movement to it. Look at that. It's a little, it almost looks tarnished a little bit. Oh, what do we hear? We have a hang tag. This says, oh, I don't know what that design is, but it's got a little China mark on the back with like another little rhinestone or little gem in there. Nice. braided bracelet. Yeah, that's not marked. I kind of knew that. You know how when you are familiar with something like gold, silver, certain pieces, you almost just pick it up or see it and you know that it is or it's not. I love this bib necklace. I'd say 25 to 35. It's so, it really makes a statement. Real nice. Oh, isn't this precious? It says hope and it's on a cross. Nice silver necklace with it, chain. And that's a dual chain or two chain necklace. A pendant on each one. That's neat. Got to flip it over. The neat designs on the other side. Yeah, kind of a starburst. It's on the square one too. I just didn't flip that one over. This is... You'll have to help me. Tell me whether you think that that's a symbol that means something or not. And I couldn't tell which side either. If you know what that is, I'd love for you to tell me and everyone else. This I thought was going to be a bag chain at first, but the other end of it is not a clip, so no. Lobster, you know those big lobster claws. Very dainty. Just a chain. Look what we found. That's an Avon piece, and we have its friend. Hello, friend. That's about $15 for that pair of earrings. Oh, yeah. That's neat. Pretty sure we have the match. Yes, we do. So from the first video in this series, we have a pair now. Doesn't that look homemade? The craftsman made that. It's kind of neat. I like how long they are. That way you got that hook on the end, then you can put it in any one of these slots on the side and make it a little longer, a little shorter, your choice. What else we got here? These little hooks, they always get caught on everything. Interesting. Again, I don't know if that's a symbol. Almost looks like fishies, doesn't it? Oh, pretty. This one's marked Korea. About 15. I like the little heart charm. That's nice. I used to have a bracelet very similar to that. It was real gold though, but that one looks very similar. Nice gold chain. Again, when I find individual pendants and then I find these single chains, I can put them together, make something nice. Oh, that's pretty too. I like that it's adjustable. Okay. What else we got? Oh, I love the keys. Let's see what we get. Get out. Come on. Come on out. There he is. Okay. What's his hang tag say? Casual corner. Nice. Look at how long that chain is too. And the skeleton keys. That is so fun. Maybe $35, $40. Oh my goodness. I just love that. Hey, a little ring. It's two-tone. Can you see some of them are a gold color and some of them are silver? Yep. Oop, can't get over that knuckle. It's kind of fun. What else? What else? Ooh, look at this. Oh, I love that. One of those wheat chains. That means the design of the actual chain kind of looks like wheat. Ralph Lauren. RLL. That's $70 to $80. If I haven't mentioned already, which I think I did, I think I mentioned it up front, that this was a $99 bag. It was 11.5 to 12 pounds. And oh my goodness, we're well above that $99. I would love it if we could 10 times that amount. Little bracelets. What do we have here? Oh, some nice cross. 3 crosses. How pretty. I like that. Hey, look what we found. So I did test that gold. It's about 10 karat gold. It's over 925, the sterling. Gorgeous. That's a neat chain. I hope I'm not going too fast or too slow here for you. There's so much to go through. Look at that, those graduated beads. Well, kind of graduated. I can't really tell if the bottom is larger, but we do have some small and some large. Paperclip necklace. That's pretty. Neat. You know, I try to put these things down in an organized fashion, but it gets all over the place. Look at this. Multi-chain, some beads, some different kinds of chains. Really nice. Hey, there's the thing. Remember I said it kind of looked like fishies? Yeah, I don't know if that's an actual symbol. If you know, let us know in the comments. I love when you comment, by the way. I appreciate you. Oh, little balls. I like those beads. That's pretty. Is that a box chain? Looks like it. Those are almost indestructible, aren't they? I've had a box chain that my dad gave me when I was 16, and I still wear it. Like almost every day I have it on, and it's fine. It never gets tangled. Okay, we'll have to wrap this up now so we can get on to the next, but I'll keep showing you while we go. Just look at how much we still have to go through. Quick math. There were 38 pieces we looked at in this video. 2 of them were single earrings, so we won't count them. So that leaves 36 pieces. And of the 10 that I marked with the pricing, those total about $340. And even if the remaining 26 pieces were only worth a few dollars, that brings this batch over $400. So far then, we're at about $700 with the first batch in the first video. And this was a $99 grab bag. We're doing great, fantastic. And there's still so much more to go through. I hope you're having fun watching. I post these videos Thursdays and Sundays, so twice a week. So please hit the subscribe button so you never miss our treasure hunts together. Thanks again to all my current subscribers, and as always, please like, comment, and share. Hope you come back soon. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye, you.